This video is about the wonder fruit pomegranate and its myriad benefits. Pomegranate, scientifically known as Punica granatum, is a remarkable fruit that has been revered for its myriad health benefits for centuries. This vibrant, jewel-like fruit is not only delicious but also packed with essential nutrients and antioxidants that contribute to overall well-being. In this video, we will explore the 10 significant benefits of consuming pomegranate, the various ways to incorporate it into our diet, and where to find this marvelous fruit. 1. Rich in antioxidants, pomegranates are renowned for their high levels of antioxidants, particularly punicologens and anthocyanins, which help combat oxidative stress in the body. These antioxidants play a vital role in neutralizing free radicals, thus reducing the risk of chronic diseases and promoting healthy aging. 2. Heart health. Consuming pomegranate regularly can significantly benefit the heart. The fruit is known to improve cholesterol levels, lower blood pressure, and enhance overall heart health. Pomegranates contain phytochemicals that promote healthy blood circulation and reduce the risk of atherosclerosis and heart attacks. 3. Boosts immune system. Pomegranates are packed with immune-boosting vitamins like C and E, essential for a robust immune system. The fruit's antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties also help in fighting infections and keeping the immune system strong and resilient. 4. Cancer prevention. Studies suggest that pomegranates may have anti-cancer properties. The antioxidants and bioactive compounds in pomegranates are believed to inhibit the growth of cancer cells, especially in the case of breast and prostate cancers. 5. Improved digestion. Pomegranates are a good source of dietary fiber, aiding in healthy digestion. The fiber content helps regulate bowel movements and prevent constipation. Additionally, pomegranate juice can help alleviate digestive disorders like Crohn's disease and ulcerative colitis. 6. Skin health. Pomegranates are a boon for the skin. They contain powerful antioxidants that help rejuvenate the skin, reduce wrinkles, and promote a youthful complexion. Pomegranate extract is often used in skincare products to improve skin texture and enhance its natural glow. 7. Aids in weight management. Pomegranates are low in calories and high in fiber, making them an excellent addition to a weight loss diet. The fiber content keeps you feeling fuller for longer, reducing overall calorie intake and assisting in weight management. 8. Reduces inflammation. Pomegranates possess strong anti-inflammatory properties, which can help in reducing inflammation throughout the body. This can be beneficial in managing chronic conditions like arthritis and preventing inflammatory diseases. 9. Improves memory and cognitive function. Studies suggest that pomegranates may help improve memory and cognitive function. The antioxidants in pomegranates have been shown to protect brain cells from damage and improve brain health. *0. Diabetes management. Pomegranates can be beneficial for individuals with diabetes. They have been shown to lower blood sugar levels, making them a suitable fruit choice for diabetic individuals when consumed in moderation. How can you consume pomegranate? Pomegranates can be consumed in various forms, and each part of the fruit offers unique health benefits. Fresh seeds. Simply scooping out the seeds and eating them raw is one of the most common and delicious ways to enjoy pomegranates. The seeds are juicy, sweet, and packed with nutrients. Juice. Pomegranate juice is widely available and can be consumed on its own or mixed with other juices for a refreshing beverage. It retains many of the fruit's health benefits. Smoothies. Add pomegranate seeds or juice to your favorite smoothie recipe for a burst of flavor and nutrition. Salads. Sprinkle pomegranate seeds over salads to add a sweet and crunchy element. They pair well with both fruit and vegetable salads. Sauces and dressings. Use pomegranate juice as a base for sauces or dressings to enhance the taste of your dishes while reaping the health benefits. Tea. Pomegranate tea can be made by infusing dried pomegranate peel or using commercially available tea bags. It is a soothing and nutritious beverage. Where can you find pomegranate? Pomegranates are readily available in most grocery stores, supermarkets, and fresh fruit markets. In regions where the climate permits, pomegranate trees can be grown in gardens or backyards, providing a fresh supply of this wonder fruit. Additionally, pomegranate products such as juices, extracts, and supplements can be found in health food stores and online platforms, ensuring easy access to the numerous health benefits of pomegranate. In summary, pomegranate is a superfood that offers an array of health benefits. Its rich nutritional profile, including antioxidants, vitamins, and fiber, makes it a valuable addition to a healthy diet. Whether consumed as seeds, juice, or in various culinary creations, integrating pomegranate into your daily routine can contribute to a healthier, happier life.